welcome back to the WeatherGuard shop. My name is Matt and I have Ryan and Fairlight here as well. And today we're going to show you how to install WeatherGuard's new rigid flooring. Now, installing flooring is the first step to upfitting your van. This flooring has got a tough, non-slip surface with hi-viz sills for safety. And it's got a limited lifetime warranty, so it'll last the life of your upfit. Our new flooring is available for Ford, GM, Mercedes, and Ram. So check the WeatherGuard site for your van make, model, and fit. Today, we're installing into a Ram ProMaster with a 136-inch wheelbase. This is another super easy install and one of the most important things for work van life. So let's grab some tools and hit it. Another advantage to this new flooring is that everything, including the sills, come in the box. So Ryan and Fairlight, you ready? Let's grip it and rip it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is remove any of the OEM plastic trim, D-rings or tie downs, and any other parts of the floor. Set the D-rings and tie downs aside because you'll need them later. All right, now that that's out of the way, we're gonna align the front panel of the floor with the contour of the van's metal floor. Then just connect the panels together using the H channel, but don't install the hardware until you've got all the floor sections locked in. Okay, now don't go nuts with this next step. Take your drill, put it on the lowest setting, and go slow. You can also use the screwdriver if you want to go super slow. Just insert the hardware into the H channel until it's nice and snug. Now grab your Allen socket and threaded inserts. Put the inserts in the pre-drilled holes at the side and back flooring panels and secure. Again, take your time here. The top of the insert should be flush with the top of the flooring panel, not recessed into the flooring panel. Next up, the finishing touch, hi-viz sills, and it's super easy. Put them in place and lock them down with the 1/4 by 1/2 inch Phillips head screws. Again, go slow here. Remember those D-rings and tie downs you took out earlier? You can add those back in now. The kits come with longer D-ring bolts for vans that require the D-rings or tie downs. All right, your floor is locked in and ready to customize the rest of your ride. We'll catch you next time. Oh, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more WeatherGuard installation videos.
Marker. Yeah.
Okay, now don't go nuts with this next step. Now don't go nuts with this next step.